Good evening. I'm Kavita Karki and you're watching Emerging SME, a television program which highlights the achievements of such SMEs who from a modest beginning have now become a brand name in their respective business vertical. The first company in today's episode is Captronic Systems, a specialized design and development solutions company offering a range of sophisticated forms of custom automated test, control and acquisition systems for R&D, design validation and production testing, and is one of the leading system integrators of National Instruments in India. I interacted with Mr. Vinod Matthews, the managing director and founder of Captronic Systems, earlier in Bangalore. Have a look. Captronic Systems is a design and development solutions company. So what all are the solutions that you offer to your clients?
At Captronic Systems, we specialize in building automated test equipment, including simulation and data acquisition systems. We do this for the aerospace, defense, and automotive markets. To put it very simply, it is very, very expensive to test these systems in real-life systems. In some cases, even catastrophic. For example, if you're building an ABS for an automobile, it may be possible to test that in a real car in a test track. However, think about building the brake management system for an aircraft. It would be quite impossible to test that in a real test environment. So what we do is build test equipment which simulate the real conditions in which these electronic subsystems need to be tested, and we custom build that for our customers. For example, we build ATEs for digital flight control computer for the LCA, the Light Combat Aircraft that HAL is building, and also ground-based test systems for the AWACS program, a airborne early warning system that DRDO and CABS are building for the Indian Air Force. Similarly, simulation test systems for the Indian UAV, Rustam 2, and in the automobile field, we do testing for infotainment systems to make sure your infotainment in your car is working well when you get into it, clusters, making sure when you driving at 60 kilometers per hour, it's actually 60, and keyless entry systems. We currently working, in technologies for the advanced automobile of tomorrow, the connected cars, using LiDAR and connected car technologies of tomorrow.
Since 1998, Captronic Systems has established a reputation as one of the leading system integrators of National Instruments in India. So how has this participation with National Instruments benefited the company?
Just like how a good software solution requires a robust and feature-rich platform, we piggyback on the innovative products of National Instruments, be it their PXI platform or the fact that they have programmable FPGAs, wherein we actually program the chip, which enable us to do processing of high-speed signals in fractions of milliseconds. They are the robust foundation which enable our systems to work flawlessly and also ensure compatibility to future systems. This ensures that what we deliver to the customer is world-class.
Captronic Systems has a number of alliances across the globe. So how has it helped you in going global and providing the latest technology solutions?
There's no one company or technology that can provide the entire solution that our customers expect from us. So we have key technology partners with whom we work, companies like Virginia Panel Corporation, Avionics Interface Technologies, Keysight Technologies, that give us the latest technologies in the respective fields that they are working in. With our Prime Minister Modi ji's push on Make in India, it is very important that we address the market that is looking to make in India. Most of the defense equipment that we buy have 30 to 50% offset clauses that we import today from Europe, US, Israel. And we want to try and access those markets to be able to sell our technologies to them so that they can meet their offset requirements. And keeping that in mind, we have even created a consortium of alliance of companies headed by Precision Electronics Limited to be able to address this Israeli market, for example. So it is key that we have these alliances, this collaboration with other SME companies in India to be able to address global markets.
Captronic Systems is among the best system integrators, both in software and hardware, for data acquisition and test and simulation systems. So what is the major product range that you offer to your clients?
In the last 17 years, we have worked with various companies, world leaders, in their quest to build leading world-class electronic subsystems. So to answer your question in a better way, I have with me my head of R&D, Mandeep Dwara.
Hello.
Mandeep.
As Vinod said, we've been working in this field from last 17 years. and we have worked from design to manufacturing to maintenance systems. In the process, we have learned and created products to make our customer journey and more efficient, less expensive, and above all error-free. We have simulation solutions for products in the design phase, rapid prototyping solutions for the various validations and the design phase. We have also end-of-line test solutions for the manufacturing phase, and also go-no-go solutions for the maintenance phase of the product development. While most of our solutions are custom built, we have learned many different kinds of expertise we have developed over the period of time, and some of our solutions have been standardized using our learnings for the best practices in the industry and available for the off-the-shelf products as well, like our in-vehicle data acquisition system, our channel emulator, which can be used to emulate all sorts of RF radio frequency impairments in testing satellites, receivers, radars, and GPS receivers. Our record and playback system can be used for recording various field scenarios, and then the signal can be played back in the lab for further analysis. We have our telemetry receiver transmitter systems and also radar signal processors, radar signal simulators. We have also developed Dhwani, training simulator for the armed forces, to automatically find the location of a bullet on a target jointly with National Aerospace Laboratories.
Captronic Systems is empowering many lives through its CSR initiatives. So how are you fulfilling your responsibilities towards meeting this commitment?
It's never enough helping underprivileged children, especially those with disabilities. What we do is just a drop in the ocean. There's not enough you can do for them. We have been supporting a school for the deaf and dumb for the last 10 years, for children. And we also support needy children who need support in completing their education in a couple of orphanages in this area. That's what we do for CSR, but like I said, it's a drop in the ocean.
Captronic Systems' core strength being technical expertise, the solutions are extended with analyzing needs, conceptualizing designs, building formats that are customized for specific requirements observed across various sectors. Here we'll take a short break, lots more on the other side. Stay tuned in.